Today is the 21st of March 2023, and this is just a justification video because I'm not sure which of the two staircases I got here before, the staircase A or B. This is on Topeliuksenkatu, Topeliuksenkatu 31. Was it? Yes, number 31.
Yeah.
That's staircase A. It's here in Helsinki and modernized Finland. And sadly it doesn't say when it was modernized, but it must have been in the late 1990s. So it was somewhere between 1997 and 99. We need to get the year later.
Yeah.
Make a best export person takes 20 grams. I built in 1936. So yeah, where is it? 2 or 3 1. Probably Kone originally.
Yeah.
So they've been Kone originally, yeah. This making this year, it doesn't. Yes, running for sequences.
Yeah.
Also with the this type of Evergeen.
Yeah.
But it's really nice.
Mm. I inspected parking-wise, but maintained by Espanjissi.
And then we know that it's the staircase B if it's not filmed. Here. Then it's B only.
Yeah.
The cab is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Although it's a bit industrial, but I like it.
Same.
And it is from the medallions outside of the staircase. It says 36, so that's why it's 1936.
Yeah.
But I think also the year of construction was 1936, or
Yeah.
yeah. Information on the internet. We need to know the year of modernization, but we know it's late 90s.
Yeah.
Also, the gate is a bit unusual here.
Yeah.
It's like not with this kind of metallic pillar.
Yeah.
You know, it's the more common one. But this is more.
Yeah. And better, I think.
Yeah, but that's it. Thank you very
That's
much for watching.